Hey everybody out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. Today, Blitz and I are in the Kootenai National Forest near EUREKA, Montana, and we are headed into Bluebird Lake. We arrived at the parking lot today and there's already 2 vehicles here, so our streak of basically having campsites to ourselves may be over. We're gonna take a quick side tour before we get to Bluebird. Lake. There's actually 2 lakes up here, Paradise and Bluebird. Hey, how you doing? Are you camping or fishing?
Maybe. What's your name?
Jesse.
Hey, Jesse.
Yeah.
Go f*** yourself.
I'm not sure I quite heard you correctly.
I said, go f*** yourself. My girlfriend has a question for you.
What?
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Wait a minute. I know this one. To get away from Colonel Sanders.
No, to tell you to go f*** yourself.
You know what? You two are awfully brave with this lake separating the both of us. Why don't you come over here and say that to my fat
We
face?
will, you cheeky bastard.
Wait a minute. Joe? Logan? You did it again.
Oh, did I do that?
You guys camping?
Yeah, you?
All right, this is the second time I've done this in my hiking career. I've linked up with the PNT, the Pacific North Trail. So it's kind of cool just to say that, oh yeah, I was on that trail for 200 yards. All right, we made it into Bluebird Lake. And as soon as we got here, Joe had line in water. We're trying to figure out if there's fish in here. Online said there's fish. However, we had somebody come through our camp and say at Rainbow Lake down yonder that they killed the fish in August. I hope they didn't kill the fish here. Once again, I guess we are going to continue the streak of having the lakes to ourselves. And this probably will be it until January when we start doing our winter hiking. It's been a great season, man. I'm having elk backstrap smothered in olive oil, tons of garlic for the old ticker, red peppers, yellow peppers, onion, and hopefully I cooked it right. It looks delicious. Let's see if it tastes delicious. Flavor's fine. I think I overdid it about by 2 minutes.
I think it tastes pretty good.
All right.
Come on, Logan. You better eat it, Mitch, before I do.
You do it this way, you don't get chocolate on your fingers.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Are you gonna lick that rock clean?
Mm-hmm.
I know. First try, ding dong.
Have some finesse. Ding dong.
It is 5:20 a.m. in the morning. The rain's coming. I guess the plan is to get packed up and just start heading down now, so we're gonna have to do it when the rain's really pouring. Really out. Alright, it is 6:15 a.m. We are packed up, headed out. The rain has subsided for a little bit. Made it back to the Woo-mobile. Looks like I had a visitor in here last night. Looks like a mouse got inside. That's always beautiful. Got all types of little lovely mouse stuff. Freaking mice, man. Crab cakes?
Crab cakes.
I don't know. We'll do that one over again.
Well, that didn't go as well as hoped.
You let go of the rope?
It slipped out of my hand.
321. What lake are we at? Been to so many fucking lakes this year. It's pretty bad when you can't remember where the hell you're at. Hold on. I'll get there.